What if the key to happiness isn't found in the latest trends, but in the hard-earned wisdom of those who've lived a lifetime? Truths so powerful, they've been whispered for generations, yet most people ignore them until it's too late. This isn't just advice. This is raw, unfiltered truth, the kind that shapes destinies. Today we're diving deep into 12 uncomfortable lessons from our elders, each one a wake-up call for those brave enough to listen. These truths will sting, they'll shake you, and if you let them, they'll reclaim your life. Stay with me. By the end, you'll understand why the old ways still work in a modern world. 1. Time is the only currency that matters. The elders don't just say time is precious, they lived it. Every sunset they witnessed, every goodbye they said, taught them money can be earned, but time, once it's gone, it's gone. The biggest regret of the dying. I wish I hadn't wasted so much time. The greatest lie we tell ourselves, I'll do it later. The harsh reality, the clock never stops. Not for anyone. Stop trading your life for things that don't last. Start spending your time like the priceless gift it is. 2. Hard work won't save you, but smart work will. The old carpenter doesn't just swing a hammer. He knows which nail to hit. Hard work without strategy is just exhaustion in disguise. The farmer who works dawn to dusk but never invests, still broke. The artisan who masters one skill instead of chasing 10, builds a legacy. The truth: work smarter, not just harder, or life will work you. Don't just labor, leverage. 3. Most people don't change, they just get older. A chilling truth: age doesn't equal wisdom. Most people just repeat their 20s with more wrinkles. The bitter old man? He was once a bitter young man. The entitled 50-year-old was an entitled 25-year-old. The difference? The wise adapt, the stubborn die stuck. If you don't change your mind, life will change it for you, the hard way. 4. Your family tree might be poisonous. The elders don't romanticize toxicity. They've seen families destroy each other over money, pride, and old grudges. Blood is thicker than water, but poison is still poison. Love doesn't mean sacrificing your soul. Sometimes walking away is the only way to break the cycle. A tree that won't bend in the wind snaps, so does a family that won't change. 5. Loneliness is the price of standing out the path to greatness. Isolating. The elders warn, if you need approval, you'll never be free. Leaders stand alone before others follow. Innovators are laughed at before they're celebrated. Truth speakers are hated before they're respected. You can fit in or stand out, but you can't do both. 6. Kindness without boundaries is self-destruction. Grandma didn't survive wars by being naive. She says, a heart without borders is a target for wolves. Givers attract takers. Empaths attract energy vampires. The fix? Love fiercely, but protect your peace. You can't heal others if you're bleeding out. 7. Regrets don't come from what you did, but what you didn't do. The dying never say, I wish I'd watched more TV. They whisper, I wish I'd risked more. Fear fades. Regret lingers forever. The job you didn't take, the love you didn't fight for, the dream you delayed. The cure: do it now. Your future self is begging you. Don't wait. 8. You're one decision away from a different life. The old sailor didn't wait for perfect winds. He adjusted his sails. One conversation can change a relationship. One leap can start a new career. One moment of courage can rewrite your story. The bridge between misery and greatness. A single step. 9. The world owes you nothing. The elders don't sugarcoat it. No one cares about your excuses. Prove your worth. Nobody owes you a job. Earn it. Nobody owes you love. Deserve it. Nobody owes you respect. Command it. Entitlement is the fast track to failure. 10th, small daily habits. Create a legacy. The elders don't believe in overnight success. They know great oaks grow slow. 5 minutes a day can make you a master in 10 years. 1 page a day becomes a library. Tiny choices, repeated, become irreversible results. Rome wasn't built in a day, but brick by brick, it became eternal. 11th pain is the best teacher, but you gotta listen. The wise don't run from suffering, they learn from it. Failure? A lesson in disguise. Heartbreak? A roadmap to real love. Struggle? The price of strength. Don't waste the pain. Let it train you. 12th. Death is the ultimate motivator. The elders don't fear death. They use it. What would you do if you had 1 year left? What would you stop doing? What would you finally say? Live like you're dying because you are. These truths aren't pretty, but they're powerful. Let them sink in. Let them change you. Because the greatest honor we can give our elders, not just hearing their wisdom, but living it. Now, I want to hear from you. Which truth hit you hardest? Drop a comment below. And if you're ready for more unfiltered wisdom, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The journey just started.